Hello folks, this is the navigation video for POSC 405 International Relations, and I want to start off by saying that a welcome message is sent out to all the course participants, and in that welcome message we will look at it. It's also posted to the course page, and here's the course page. Moodle page right here starts off with the welcome and copy of the textbook, and then online office hours, since we have COVID-19 and everything's moved online. Here's our welcome message right here. I can bring it up in Word and show you what the students receive right here. Gives a welcome, who I am, about distance learning, how every student must participate, especially to the chapter class discussion questions, telling them to navigate the syllabus will be our guide map, and asking them to click around the course and familiarize themselves with the icons and the links. Also, how to check the grades, when the first chapter discussion question will be, and encouraging students to keep up with the chapter readings and the chapter quizzes and discussion questions, not get left behind. And that's my basic opening. So now we go back to the webcam, and I'm going to go through the course page again to show you the different and various links. I'm going to close down the welcome message, and we see that we have 3 different forums. This is course announcements forum, any announcements I have for the course. Community help forum, where students can ask their colleagues for help and assistance in what they're doing. Class discussion forum, where the chapter class discussion questions are posted and where people send their responses so that other students in the class can critique them. This is the mandatory name assignment. Students must send me their name in a Microsoft Word format as an attachment at the beginning of the semester, so it indicates they can do that with their research paper at the end of the semester. BSc Academic Honesty Statement. Here's the course syllabus right here they can download. Research paper guidelines, telling them everything about how to write their research paper. I'll bring that up real quick just so you can see. It is quite extensive. If it comes up, here it comes. And you see that it's quite extensive, letting them know all of the guidelines. And then it has here the research paper topics. They can choose one of these topics to write on 12 different topics. All right. And then our students participate in what's called the SLEA Connect program. It's an international program affiliated with the United Nations out of New York City, which links up colleges and universities in the Middle East and North Africa, Europe, and Asia every semester, where students meet in groups of 8 to 10 people, and the discussions are conducted by a facilitator. They talk on social, cultural, and political issues of the day. And to meet your 20% of the total course grade, you just attend the once a week 2-hour sessions for each group. Then we have selected readings for the course, international relations links, and then turn it in where you submit your research paper. And then, of course, each week of the class has the assignments, the themes, the readings, and the PowerPoint presentation, the quiz. Next week, the theme, the chapter, readings, the assignment, PowerPoint presentation, the quiz. Next reading, the readings, the assignment, PowerPoint presentation, quiz, all down the line until you get to your midterm exam. Here, spring break, and then you go in again. So we go back to the webcam. That is how you navigate POSC 405 International Relations. I'm now going to try to save this video and post it to the Qual AT Matters Module 7 rubric.